So the way that we graph our parent function is that we take our x and we can just make up any numbers. We could say -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And what we're going to do is that we're going to plug them into x squared to get our y. So let's say we are going to do -2 squared, which is equal to 4. We're going to do -1 squared, which is equal to 1. 0 squared, which is equal to 0. 1 squared, which is equal to 1. And 2 squared, which is equal to 4. And we graph that. So -2 and 4, -2 and 4, there's a dot. -1 and 1, there's another dot. 0 and 0, 1 and 1, and 2 and 4. And that's how we get our parabola. Now, whenever we have a number in front of the x, we're just going to perform that operation by doing whatever it is. So as an example, on B, we have 2. So after we square, we're just going to multiply whatever the value is and double it. So in this case, our 4 becomes an 8. Our 1 becomes a 2. Our 0 stays the same. Our 1 is a 2, and our 4 is an 8. So we graph that. We have -2 and 8, -1 and 2, 1 and 2, 2 and 8, and 0. So if you notice, our parabola gets a little bit skinnier. Now let's just say that we're going to do the next one, and we're going to go by half. So let me try to make a little more space. So whatever our value of y, we are going to take half. So if we do 4 and we take half of that, it would be 2. Half of 1 is just stays the same. 0 stays as 0. 1/2 and 2. So when we graph this, now we have -2 and 2, 1 and 1/2, 0 and 0, 1 and 1/2, 2 and 2. So our graph ends up being a little bit wider.